I used to work at Starbucks, so let's see if this is actually a good hack. I can't read that. Get a venti. It's hard to read. 3 cups of ice. Oh, this is actually very smart. Because I will tell you guys right now, straight up, this is the truth at Starbucks. You see the lines in the cup? That determines what goes where. So for example, it was like the first line was milk usually, the second line was whatever other stuff we put in it, and then the third, like maybe water or whatever, milk, whatever it was. But then at the third line, that's when you would put a scoop of ice. So really, if you look at your drinks, it's pretty much ice from that third line up, and it just makes it rise. So this is a very good idea. Get venti drinks without any ice in it, and then get cups of ice, and I guarantee you, you'll save a lot of money and you'll get a lot more than what you normally pay for. This always happens, and I thought it was a charger. That's very interesting. I feel like it's dangerous though, because you're putting metal in electricity, are you not? I understand it's not plugged into the wall, but how does that work? Like then again, I guess if you're in your bathtub and you put your iPhone in the tub, it doesn't kill you, so I don't know. I still wouldn't do this. I would not put metal, I don't know, even though it's a battery, it's not technically a plug, I still wouldn't do that. I looked it up, it said don't put metal in. It says use like a toothpick, so use a toothpick. Don't do what this is doing. That seems a little, I don't know. Okay, that's kind of disgusting. That's gross. Like it works, but how do you clean a popcorn bag with soap and water? It's paper. So it gets soggy and it'll rip through. In Toronto, I'll say right now, no joke, popcorn and a soda, probably 15, 20 bucks. Is that fair to say? 15 bucks?
Around there.
Like I'll tell you right now, whenever I go to the movies, I expect to spend 50 bucks. Like it's, I think 15 or like 16 for a ticket, and then popcorn and soda, another like, I don't know, 20, 15, 20 bucks. I get it, but also like, what you could also do is get one movie ticket and go to a bunch of movies. I didn't say that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. You guys know this is the reaction channel where we also hook you guys up with some cheap life hacks that are actually genius. And that is exactly what I'll be reacting to today. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Life hack, if you smash the like button, videos like ours come up more often and you guys can continue enjoying this content. So smash that like button, baby! Be your boy Pepper, and we're gonna get into it. Let's go.
The yellow light stays on depending on the first number of the speed limit you're in. For example, if you're in a speed limit zone of 45, the yellow light is only going to stay on for 4 seconds. If you're in a 35 speed limit zone, then it'll only stay on for 3 seconds.
But is that true? Who would know this? Someone that works for the city? If this is true, because I feel like it's also miles per hour. Sorry guys, I'm looking for my other headphone, I can't find it. This is interesting, because I feel like that's not the case. I feel like if I'm driving in a 60, it's not yellow for 6 seconds. But again, I feel like that's maybe miles per hour, because we're kilometers. And I feel like miles per hour, that would make a lot more sense. Because 35 miles per hour is probably, I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna guess like 48 kilometers an hour? I don't know. That was just a shot in the dark, but let's go with it. And that would make sense.
Like hats with green.
This woman's adorable.
If you want to make eating chips easier, all you gotta do is grab a lid from a white container. Stick it on the bag of chips. Grab a knife.
That's a little scary.
Cut a hole in the bag of chips.
This is just such a sweet, like nice thing.
And have a lot of fun. Now you can seal your bag.
I love this granny.
All done.
She's such a sweet, reminds me of the grandmother from Billy Madison. Shoot him, Gavin. What did I say, Billy Madison? Yeah. Motherfucker. She reminds me of the grandmother from, no, we can leave that in. You guys can leave in whatever you want. I always get the two mixed up. I gotta try that. But I don't know when I'd ever be tied up, so maybe I won't try that. I mean, no. No. I feel like that's so hard. They sped it up because I feel like it's hard to actually, I'm not gonna do that. I feel like it's hard to actually get the thing over the corn. Like corn's hard and they had to like go back and forth really quick. I don't know if I would do that. You know, you could also put a fork in and pull it up, but that gets it all over the place. Just eat it on the cob. Corn on the cob, it's fun. What? Is that actually, I gotta try that. Do we have any peanut butter here? I wanna try that. I'm very curious. Maybe I'll go to the store and just get a thing of peanut butter and just do it. So I will say, on Monday my belt broke, and I actually tried this hack, because I looked it up and I tried it, and it somewhat works. It looks a little stupid, so you gotta cover your pants with your shirt or your hoodie or whatever you're wearing, because it looks dumb, you can tell it's not how the pants are supposed to look. Aside from that, at one point it came undone again, so it was kind of pointless. But good idea, I get it, I respect the hustle and it makes sense. It's like maybe it depends how tight your pants are, I don't know.
I'm not sure if you know about this, but when you buy a brand new Nutella, open it up, flip the lid over, there's actually 2 linings in here. There's a white lining and a silver lining in here. And then when you open up the silver lining,
is this actually true? I feel like this is like just for the video.
A little knife to open the Nutella.
There's no way. Can someone confirm that? I haven't had Nutella for a while, but I kind of want to get Nutella now for that. I'll get Nutella and peanut butter. Which, by the way, guys, Nutella peanut butter sandwiches are just top tier. That's all I'm saying. You're welcome.
I love making scrambled eggs, but I hate all the dishes that come with it. Reduce your dish footprint by using a cocktail shaker for your scrumptious scrambles. Just crack the eggs directly into the holder, add a little milk, salt and pepper, and party on to eggalicious ecstasy
really?
with no forks or bowls needed. Pour out your eggs right into the pan and enjoy yourself a healthy breakfast.
I got a problem with milk in the eggs, but we'll talk about that later. I feel like if you put your eggs in that, whenever people come over for martinis, they're gonna be like, this tastes a little like eggy. A little bit of egg in there. And I get you can wash it, but I feel like, I don't know, why mix that? Just get a bowl. Like the cleanup's not that hard. I get it, but I don't respect it.
If you want to get rid of insects in a quick and natural way, it's simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of syrup, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir it heavily in a bowl and then microwave it for 45 seconds. Once you pop it out, give it a little bit more of a stir and let it cool. Cut out several strips of paper from a grocery bag and slowly and carefully run the strip right through the mixture. Once you're done, go ahead and take a paper clip and pop it through the bag to use as a hook.
Mess.
Hang it up to dry for just a bit to get rid of all that excess mixture, and then take it outside and set your trap. You'll probably catch all kinds of things with this.
It's like a fly trap.
Just be sure to place it far enough from where anyone will be sitting.
It's like, I feel like fly traps aren't that expensive. I think it would cost more to get the honey, the sugar, and the syrup, to be honest with you. I guess if you have those in your house already, you know, who would just have fly traps in their house? Unless you deal with flies a lot, so there you go. That's for sure. Bye. Mwah. Like, I'm not even joking, nibs, like a package of nibs, I think is like $6 or $7. Not the actor who's not supporting the film industry. No, I actually don't do that. I did it once when I was like in grade 8 and I got caught. I've been your boy Pepper, I still am.